Namaskar, Pranipat, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Vanakkam, Bonjour, my dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Lefort International School. Today is 21st June. This is one of the historical day for us. Why? Because today is International Yoga Day as well as Father's Day. So before start the video, I would like to request my all viewers, please click on like button if you like my video and share it with your friends and family members. Those who all are new in my channel or in our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notification. Now, first of all, I would like to wish through a poem to all the fathers of our students and all the respective fathers of our planet. Happy Father's Day. So my poem name is Pujya Pita. It is in Hindi. I hope that you will like it. धरती पर आने के बाद सबसे पहले मैंने देखा जो हाथ, वो आपके थे पापा। मुझे अभी भी याद है, आपसे ही सीखा था मैं जिंदगी के रास्तों में चलने का वो तरीका। खुश नसीब है वो जिनके पास है आपके छत्र छाया, क्योंकि आपके बिना तो हम हर वक्त है अधूरा। आप जैसा ना है कोई दूजा, क्योंकि माँ हमारी जान है तो आप हमारे श्वास है पूज्य पिता। So my dear students, for Father's Day, you can write a poem for your father like this. So this is your homework and send your poem in our WhatsApp group. Now I will tell you something about yoga. As you know that today is International Yoga Day. Today is 21st June 2020. The whole world is celebrating 6th International Yoga Day. This International Yoga Day was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in December 2014. However, due to COVID-19, people are not able to gather such a place where they can participate in yoga. That's why this year world will celebrate Yoga Day digitally. Theme of International Day of Yoga 2020 is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. The theme is declared by Ministry of Ayush India. Yoga is a physical, mental or spiritual practice that is originated from India, which describe the complete way of life. Yoga is not at all about the exercise, but to discover the sense and identify yourself. Yoga is very safe, easy and healthy way to get fit whole life without any problems. It just needs regular practice in right way of body movements and breathing. It regularizes the connection between three components of our body, such as body, mind and soul. Yoga is an ancient Indian tradition which was originated in India and practiced regularly by the yogis to get fit and meditate. By seeing the benefits of yoga, UNGA has declared the International Yoga to be celebrated every year on 21st June. Yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj. It means to join, connect or unite. Yoga is 5,000 years old Indian philosophy. Yoga is being practiced in the Indian subcontinent since thousands of years. The form of exercises performed in yoga is called as asana, which are capable of bringing about stability of body and mind. Yogasana are the simplest and easiest way to reduce our excess weight and keep fit. Yoga maintains physical fitness, reduce stress, control on emotion, feelings, control negative thoughts, feelings of general well-being, improves mental clarity, enhance self-understanding, connects to the nature and many more. I hope this all information will encourage you to do the yoga in your daily life. My dear students, for you all I am giving one homework. First one is you have to practice today or every day 2 important asana in your house. The number one asana is Surya Namaskara and number 2 is Uttanasana or complete forward fold. These 2 asana practice in your house and send me your video in the WhatsApp group. One more homework I have for you all, which is that I'm asking 2 questions here. You can share your answer through the comment section. Number 1 question is, when the International Yoga Day was declared? I'm repeating the question. When the International Yoga Day was declared? Question number 2 is, what are the benefits of practicing Yogasana? What are the benefits of practicing Yogasana? So viewers, I'm waiting for your answer. I hope you all enjoy this video. That's it for today's video. We'll again meet in our next video. Till that time, practice yoga and stay happy. Namaskar.